Welcome back to Bike Updater, your one-stop channel for the latest updates on bikes and cars. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Mahindra XUV700, a vehicle that continues to challenge the status quo in the mid-size SUV segment. With fresh updates in design, technology, and performance, this year's model is more refined, powerful, and feature-rich than ever before. Let's take a closer look. Design and styling. The 2025 XUV700 carries forward Mahindra's bold design language, but with subtle refinements that enhance its road presence. The front grille gets a sleeker finish, and the LED headlamps are now sharper with dynamic DRLs. The updated alloy wheels and a revised rear bumper add a modern touch, while the overall stance remains muscular and commanding. With its dual-tone paint options and panoramic sunroof, the XUV700 continues to blend aggression with elegance. Engine and performance. Under the hood, Mahindra continues to offer the powerful 2.0L turbo petrol and 2.2L diesel engines, tuned for better efficiency and refinement in 2025. Both engine options come with 6-speed manual and automatic gearboxes. The diesel variant now feels smoother and quieter, while the petrol remains punchy and responsive. All-wheel drive is still available in select trims, making the XUV700 capable not just in the city but also off the beaten track. Features and technology. The 2025 XUV700 packs in even more tech than before. It now features an upgraded dual-screen layout with faster response times, new UI design, and enhanced voice commands. Mahindra's ADAS suite has been refined, offering better lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard across more variants, and the 3D Sony sound system continues to impress. Comfort features like ventilated seats, memory settings for the driver, and improved third-row space make it a strong family SUV. Conclusion. Overall, the 2025 Mahindra XUV700 continues to raise the bar in its segment. With its powerful engines, updated design, and feature-loaded cabin, it's clear that Mahindra is listening to its customers. Whether you're looking for a premium daily driver or a weekend adventure vehicle, the XUV700 offers great value. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Updater for more automotive insights. See you in the next one.